Welcome back to The Explainer. Today we are unpacking a really specific, totally viral digital trend that is basically defining the year 2026. We're looking at the 2026 AI agency blueprint, specifically diving into automation and agent stacks. So let's just get right into it.
Okay, let's dive into this. AI agency tutorials viral in 2026. I mean, this is the end result we are seeing literally everywhere right now. This isn't just some super niche topic being debated in quiet corners of the internet. No, it is a full-blown viral phenomenon. People are completely obsessed with consuming content on how these AI agencies actually work. And honestly, whenever a tutorial trend goes completely viral like this, it tells you something profound is happening right underneath the surface. Because people don't just want to watch passively anymore, right? They actively want to learn, and they really want to participate in the whole shebang.
So, what is actually driving this viral trend? Why on earth are millions of eyes glued to AI agency tutorials right now in 2026? It's the perfect question to ask, really, because a viral trend, well, that's just the smoke. We need to go find the fire. There absolutely has to be some structural, fundamental cause that suddenly made starting an AI agency so incredibly attractive, and more importantly, accessible enough that people actually need these tutorials to guide them through it.
Well, the secret lies in the 2026 AI agency blueprint. Think about a blueprint in the physical world for a second. It's that exact, precise architectural drawing that ensures a massive building stands tall, handles all the stress, and just functions perfectly. And now, in 2026, the digital space has its own master plan. The real reason these tutorials are blowing up is because this structural methodology has finally been solidified. There is now a super clear, totally repeatable method to the modern AI economy, and everybody's eager to get their hands on it and figure out exactly how it works.
And this brilliantly illustrates what it's all about. We're looking at the essential stack for starting an AI agency. In the tech world, a stack just refers to that exact combination of software, tools, and platforms you need to actually achieve a specific goal. And to participate in this new economy, you don't need to go out and build some massive, clunky, traditional corporation anymore. You literally just need this highly specific toolkit. It is the practical barrier to entry. Once you have this stack built, you are 100% ready to start operating.
So let's break down the core components. It really comes down to three main things. First up, automation. This is the engine, right? It removes human bottlenecks and just speeds everything way up. Next, we have agents. These are the intelligent, autonomous systems that are actually out there acting on our behalf to make the really complex decisions. And finally, tutorials. This is the vehicle for mass education that takes all this immense, crazy operational power and actually brings it to the public. These three components, they aren't just some random list we threw together. They literally form the absolute core of the 2026 digital economy.
Now, what's really interesting about this is how the two primary technological pillars, automation and agent stacks, balance each other out so perfectly. Think of it like this. Automation provides the tracks. These are the fixed, highly efficient pathways where all your data and routine tasks can move instantly with zero friction. The agent stacks? Well, those are the trains running on those tracks. They provide that dynamic, highly intelligent decision-making that actually executes the really complex work. Together, they form the complete technological backbone you absolutely need to run a modern AI agency. You just cannot have one without the other in this model. When we synthesize all of this, the 2026 agency model becomes this amazing continuous loop. It all kicks off with the blueprint as your big overarching strategy. That strategy is then brought to life through the essential stack, which, remember, is powered by those dual pillars of automation and agents. That gives you true operational capability. And then, the incredible success and sheer accessibility of this stack, that's what fuels the massive explosion of these viral tutorials. People see the success, they immediately want the blueprint for themselves, and boom. The cycle of education and innovation just explodes. It's this beautiful, self-reinforcing loop of mass adoption. Which brings us to the ultimate question we have to ask. Are you ready to build your essential stack and start your 2026 AI agency? The real emphasis here is on the word starting. It implies taking action right now. The blueprint is already out there, the tutorials are completely viral, and these incredible tools, the automation, the agent stacks, they are literally just waiting to be utilized by anyone who's paying attention. The foundation has been laid bare completely for us. So what are you going to do with this information? Are you just going to be a spectator on the sidelines? Or are you going to jump in and start building? I'm going to leave you with that provocative thought to chew on. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and as always, keep learning.